My name is Christine Baines. I'm reading a poem called Mr. Grybowski. Mr. Grybowski has 3 secrets. First, the Belvedere vodka he wraps in a stained dish towel he took from the kitchen and locks in his bedside cabinet. Maybe it wasn't such a secret. He shares with Boswell, his roommate, and it was bought by, the night guy, who probably told everybody, but what the hey, it's more fun drinking secret vodka. And the second secret has no fun in it at all. It's just that Mr. Grybowski can't remember his son's name some days. So he just says the kid when he talks about him, pretending this is what he always calls him, saying it all loud and extra hearty. Mr. Grybowski knows the kid is not a kid. He's a grandpa himself now, and Mr. Grybowski a great-grandpa, and Jesus, where does that put us all? The third secret he only thinks of sideways. His dear little one, Mia, sent by God to bring air to these smothered days. He squints his eyes watching her bring lunch to all the men. Here she is, they say. She loves me best, they say. See, she gives me the biggest piece of pie. Mr. Grybowski knows what's true when he sees her special smile for him as she sets the tray on his lap, pats his leg, tosses back her hair, her teeth gleaming. Eat it up, Mr. G. Eat it all.